Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max and my viewers and my subscribers. Now, I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Please watch this video without skipping any part. Today, in this video, we'll continue our exercise 2.3, fifth sum. Okay, so what is the question? List the subsets of the following sets. First bit is B equal to P comma Q. So first you should know what is subset. Okay, first we'll learn it and then we'll solve the problem. So whatever set will be given, first what we have to know, how many elements are there in that set. Okay, so first we'll write number of elements. We represent this as n of b, okay, and it is read as cardinal number. Okay, what do we call this? Cardinal number. Okay, what does this mean? That is the number of elements present in any given set, that is known as cardinal number. Okay, so what is the cardinal number of b here? 1, 2. So number of subsets for a given set depends upon number of elements. These both things are related with each other. So if suppose this number of elements, that is n of b equal to 2, whatever we get, this let's suppose this to be n, small n, then number of subsets which we get from b will be equal to 2 power n. That is how many elements are there, we have to write in place of n. So it will be 2 power 2. What does this mean? 2 into 2. When we simplify, we get 2 into 2, that is 4. So how many subsets we are going to get from b? 4 subsets we will get. You should remember that for any given set, 2 subsets are compulsory. Okay, what are those 2 sets? One is null set and the set itself. Okay, these 2 sets we will get definitely for every set. Okay, 2 subsets are there for every set. Okay, now what we have to do? Now we should get 4. Out of these 4, 2 are this. Okay, so we are going to write the subsets of B. So first one will be the null set. You can write like this or you can also write it symbol pi. Then the next set will be the set B itself. That means P comma Q. You can write B or you can write P comma Q also. Okay, or. So what are the other subsets which we can get? That is, from this set we should write what? The small sets which we can get separately. Okay, so we can write P separately, then Q separately. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is it clear now? Okay, students. So we will do the next sum. Here the next bit is C equal to X, Y, Z. So how many elements are there? N equal to what will we get? 3. So how many subsets we are going to get? 2 power n. That is 2 power 3. That is 2 we have to multiply 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So now we are going to get 8 subsets here. What are those? We'll write here subsets of C. First it will be the null set. Then the set itself, that is X, Y, comma, Z. Then what we have to do? You follow few tricks here, students. First we have to write the all elements one by one in each set, one set separately. X, then Y, then Z. Single elements. Okay, no more single elements are left. So now what we have to do? Next line we have to write the pairs. Okay, pair with one. First we will pair X with others. Okay, X with Y, then X will come with Z also. So with X, all the pairs are over. Now we will forget about X and then move to the next element. What is the next element with Y? So now we will write the pair with what? Y, X already we wrote. So now Y and Z. Okay. Now you count number of sets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got all total 8 sets. So in the examination they can give here any element, not only X, Y, Z. They can give 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C or W, P, Q, anything they can give. Okay, so whatever they will give, you have to use that and write the subsets like this separately. First the null set and the set itself, then separately one element, then you have to write the pairs. If 4 elements are given here, what we will do? After pairing this, we will write the three elements in each set here. Okay, that we will do in the next sum. See, the third one is D equal to A, B, C, D. So here the elements are how many? 4. So how many subsets we are going to get? 2 power n, that is 2 power 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So total how many? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 subsets we are going to get here. So how we'll write? Same procedure we will follow here. Subsets of D. First what we have to write? The null set. Then the set itself, A, B, C, D, or you can write D also. The name of the set or the set itself, anything you can write. Okay, then we'll write the elements separately here in the first line. A, single elements. B, C, D. After single elements are over, what we will do? We will make the pairs. Okay. To understand better, I have changed the colors of B, C and D. Okay, so that we can make pairs easily. Okay, so now first we will pair all these elements with A first. Okay, so with A. How many times we can write A? Since 3 are there, we can write 3 pairs with A. Okay, so with A I am making 3 pairs. So what will be the pair with A? First pair, A with B. Then A with C. Then A with D. Okay, now all the possible pairs with A are over. Now what we'll do? We'll make pairs with B. So we should forget this A. Okay, now we'll start with B now. So with B, how many elements are left? 2 elements are there. So we will get 2 pairs here with B. Okay, so what are the pairs? With B, C and D. So now A and B are over, finished. So what will be the next pair? With C. How many elements are left? 1. So only one pair we will get here with C. What it will be? The left element. What is the left element? D. So C with D. So all the possible pairs with A, B and C are over now. Now what we have to do? We have to make what? 3 elements at a time. Okay, the new subsets with 3. So first what we'll use? A and B first. First with A and B, how many we'll get? Check students. With A and B, how many elements are left? 2. So we'll get 2 here. Okay, so first it will be A comma B with what? First with C, then with D. Okay, so A and B are finished. Now what we'll do? We'll skip this A. What is left with B and C? Okay, so with B and C, how many pairs will be there? B and C we have to write. Okay, so with B and C, what is the pair? D. Okay, so B we wrote with the blue color, so I will change it here. Okay, with B and C, one pair is there, that is D. Okay, again if you want, you can check with B and C, one more pair will be there, that is A. But we already wrote that A, B and C. Okay, now what is left with C and D? Is there a pair left with C and D? Yeah, if we hide this B, what are remained? A, C and D. So we'll write that also. Okay, one time you hide one element. First we have done C, D we got A, B, C. Then when we hide C we got A, B, D. Then when we hide A we got B, C, D. Now we will hide B, we will get what? A, C and D. Okay, now you count all the subsets which we got here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Is it clear, students? You can understand it better when we do the next sum. Okay. The fourth one when we do, you can understand it better. Okay. Next bit is E equal to 1, 4, 9, 16. It is similar to the third sum. Okay, in that the elements were A, B, C and D. Now the elements are 1, 4, 9 and 16. So the same procedure we have to follow here and write the subset. So in the examination they can give any element. Don't be confused. Okay, whatever element they are giving, we have to use that and write all the possible subsets. So first we will count the number of elements. How many are there? 4. So how many subsets we are going to get? First we will find that. Number of subsets, how many it will be? 2 power n. That is 2 power 4. So it will be equal to 16. So total 16 subsets we are going to get here. So what are that? We will write here now. Subsets of E. What it will be? First it will be null set and then the set itself. Okay, that is E, or you can write the whole set here. 1, 4, 9, 16. This is the first line. Now in the next line what we will do? We will write the subsets which are possible. Okay, so first we will write in the first line only the single elements. Okay, 1, then 4, 9, 16 single elements in the first line. Then in the next line what we will write? We will write the pairs, all the possible pairs. Okay, with 1. What is the possible pair with 1? We can get, how many elements are left here? 3. So with 1 how many we are going to get? 3. Okay, with 1 we will get 3 pairs. So what are those? With 1, 4, then 9, then 16. All possible pairs with 1 are over. Now we will move to the next element. What is the next element? 4. So with 4 how many we are going to get? Since 2 elements are left, we are going to get 2 subsets here. Okay. So first set we will get 9 and in the second subset we will get 16. So 4 is also over. Now what is the other pair which we get? With 9. So how many elements are left? 6, only 1. So we will get only 1 pair here. Okay. Now 9 is also over. With 16 any pair is left we can make? No, because all the pairs are completed. No other elements after 16. So all possible pairs are over now. So now what we have to do? We have to write the next line. In the next line what? We will get 3, 3. Okay, 3 elements in each subset. So with 1 all possible pairs will write. Okay, how many are there? 3 are there. So we can get 3 with 1. Okay, see how that is possible. So when we hide 1, What are the other elements? 3 elements are left. So first we will write 4 and 9 in first subset. Then hide 4. What we will get? 9 and 16. Now hide 9. What we will get? 4 and 16. Okay. So with 1 all possible pairs are over. 3 elements pairs are over. Now we will move to the next one with 4. With 4, 1 is already completed. Now what is left? 9 and 16. So after 4 is completed. Now we'll check with 9. Is there 2 elements left here? Because we are making 3 elements, okay, in one subset. Only 2 are left that we already wrote. So no need of checking. Over now. So all possible subsets are over. You can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Is it clear now, students? Now you can do the fifth sum by yourself. It is similar to the second sum. In the second sum we were having XYZ. Now in place of XYZ, in the fifth sum, what is given? It is given 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. Now you do this sum by yourself and we will meet you in our next video with the new